Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting videos. We are continuing on Postman series. Today's class we will see what are the different authentications we will do in the Postman. If you open the Postman, just click on the plus symbol. Just click on the plus symbol directly. It will open the request. If we go to authorization tab, we have seen params tab, to create the query param, path param, headers, to send any headers, body, body we will send it, post or put request, scripts, prerequest, post request. We have seen all those things. Settings we no need to touch. If you want to enable any SSL certificate, anything if you want to add, you can enable it based on your project requirement. By default, no need to change anything. Now coming to authorization tab, we have lot of authentications. Bearer, basic auth, bearer token, JWT bearer, digest auth, OAuth 1.0, OAuth 2.0, auth authentication, AWS signature, API key. There are multiple things are there. But usually in the project they will tell what type of authentication we need to use to execute API test cases. We will see few of them, not all. So first we will see basic auth. If you want to use the basic auth, we have to send the username and password. Username and password we have to send. We will see to execute basic auth, we will use the Postman API. This is one of the API, Postman API. Here username is Postman, password is password. These are all the sample username passwords. It will work. Username is the Postman, password is password. Just click on send. It is working. Authenticated true. It is authenticated successfully. If you see in the headers, it will add automatically this authorization. Bearer, it will convert to base 64. It will automatically convert it. Suppose if they have given key, if they have given key instead of username password, directly we can add in the header section. Authorization and value is basic space. What is the key they have provided, we can use directly. Suppose if they have given username password, we can use the basic auth. If they given header, directly we can keep it in the header. This is the first one, basic auth. Next one is bearer token. Bearer token we have seen in the Go REST API. We have seen in the Go REST API to create the user. We have created user and then we got the token from the website. We can select the, in that case, bearer token. What is the token, we have to pass it. If you send it, it will create the here also, in this case also, it will create the header. Let's see, authorization, bearer space, whatever token we have given. Instead of authorization, we can also directly send header section also. We no need to, it is not mandatory to send from here itself. This is the easy UI. This is very simple. If you want header also, we can send like key is the authorization, value is the bearer space token. We can also use like that also. This is one more authorization. Bearer token. One more is remaining all are very based on the project requirement. Based on the project requirement, they will mostly they will give headers only. They will give some header and key. These are very rarely we will use. And one more we will see API key. We will see API key. For API key, I have a one weather API. One weather API. You can copy that API key. Here key is the app ID. I have a one key. I have one key already. Key. Right, here we have to select a query param. Here we have header and query param. We have to send as a query parameters. Right, then send it. See, it is working fine. If you come to headers, it is added like, right, where it is added, it is not added here. It is query parameters. We have added in the query parameters, right? Where we have to see, how to see that, you can come to console, right? You see console, it is added q. Here how many parameters are there? Query parameters, one is q, and here it is added one more, and, right, and app id, whatever we have sent that API key, right, here. Or directly we can send as a, here params come, we can add, see here already added, right? If you see in the param section, see it is already added key. From here itself directly we can send, or from here we can say select app key value. Sometimes we will forget this query param. If we send a header, it will not work. We have to select as a query parameter. Right, this is one type of one more type of authorization. Right, if we don't have any authentication, we can select no auth. Right, basic auth, bearer token, API key. Mostly these are the three things right, we will use. If you want to create a token for, you can go to this website openweather.org. You can create the account and then we can create the token. It will take some time to activate it. Token will take some time to activate it. Right. These are the different ways we can do the authentication. Right. If you right, if possible, maybe I will check remaining if anything possible. Mostly in the real time also we will use either basic auth, bearer token, API key, or headers. Directly they will give some keys, key and value we can pass from the headers itself. Right. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. If you have any doubts, right, queries or any suggestions, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please share to your friends and then please like the video. Thanks for watching.